This is a very quick video just to let everybody know about an upcoming series of workshops that I'm going to be launching. Due to request from a number of people, I'm going to be doing some very informal lunch and learn or dinner and learn sessions. So if you are thinking about transitioning to a healthier lifestyle, or if you have been trying for a while but you are busy, feel that you don't have enough time, you need some support with that, then I can work with you to develop some healthier, long-term, sustainable habits. This is about looking at what you stock in your cupboard, ensuring that I can help you with your shopping each week, and ensuring that this becomes an easier journey for you and something that you can carry on and not something that's just a fad. So if you are someone who thinks that you can't cook, or worse still, if you have been told that you can't cook, then this is for you. It's an informal set of workshops, as I say, where you can come along with a friend or a partner or a group of friends and spend time with me, and it's going to be in my kitchen. I'm a busy mum, so my kitchen is very busy, but I thought that's far better than hiring out somewhere that's totally unrealistic, because lots of the time we see cooking programs where they are amazing places and it is unrealistic, and this is about trying to maintain a healthier lifestyle with everything else going on around you. So I was requested to do it in my kitchen, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So it's a series of 3 workshops that you'll be part of, where you come and learn a number of recipes, a number of tips, a number of ways to snack healthier as well, and an opportunity to just have fun around food, because food should be fun, it should be enjoyable, and it should really nourish you in so many ways, not just nutritionally, but you should feel good about yourself when you eat, and you should feel good about what you're eating. So I really want to transfer my passion to you, and I would be privileged to be able to do that. So please have a look at a couple of my previous posts where I give contact details, or email me at cdavis-munro, davismunro @gmail.com, or go to my Eat, Nourish, Flourish site, and my contact details are there too. Or if you are thinking that you would rather have a one-to-one session, and that it would be preferable for me to come and work around your busy timetable and have a one-to-one session instead of come and do a lunch and learn, then please get in touch. That's entirely possible as well. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.